Hi guys, and welcome to Snap Judgment. As you can see, we're not in hot or in chroma, and the summer streak special seems to have ended, but summer clearly hasn't. I'm here in Horsecast Village and there's a beautiful view right next to me over here, but I have to get back to work, so I'm going to start with the first product in Snap Judgment. And to begin with, I have the Nokia Lumia 630 with me. So this is an entry-level phone by Nokia, the Lumia 630, and it comes with a dual SIM, which kind of just carries on with the popularity of dual SIM phones in India. So to talk about the specifications, it comes with a Qualcomm Snapdragon 400 chipset, which is pretty powerful and has a quad-core processor. The downside of something like this is the fact that it has only a 512 MB RAM. So the RAM doesn't particularly keep up with the really strong processor that it has. Now moving on to the storage, it has an 8 GB internal storage, but the great thing about this is the fact that you can actually expand it to 128 GB, which is pretty great. To the downside of the phone itself. So what I didn't like about this phone is the fact that it has only a 5 megapixel camera without flash, which in today's market doesn't really say much. And to make matters worse, especially for all those people who love taking selfies, it has no front camera at all. So priced at about rupees 10,000, I think it's a decent enough phone, but if you're going to pay that much money, the companies like Zolo and Micromax that give you a lot more specs and a better phones for the same price point. So from smartphones to products that make your phone smarter than they already are. I have with me the OTG Smart Hub by Amkec. So this is a very cool product. It's a 3-in-1 product that lets you connect, copy and share content on the go from your cell phone directly onto a pen drive or a micro SD card for that matter. So you know how every time you do need to transfer content from your phone, you have to find a USB cable, you have to find a laptop and then connect it, and it's just so cumbersome. But this makes it all easy and simple. So you can connect using this cable to your phone right here, and we're going to start by connecting the micro SD card, which is fairly simple too. You have a little groove over here and you connect it, and oh look, see, it's already reading my files. So if I want to transfer stuff from my micro SD card to my pen drive, I can do that too. So for that, I'm going to connect the pen drive right here. Okay. Alright, great, so that's read that too. My files are transferred, so it's just that easy. So priced at rupees 950, if you think it's too expensive, you're wrong. It lets you do 3 different things in one tiny little product, so it's really worth checking out. So the next and the last product on Snap this week is a Bluetooth speaker. I know, right? I mean, we just don't do enough Bluetooth speakers on Snap. But this one is actually different. I have with me Pluto by Portronics. So this is kind of cool. So apart from having Bluetooth features, it also comes with FM radio. The Bluetooth is fairly simple. You pair your device very easily. And if you don't have Bluetooth on your phones, you can actually use the aux jack, and using an aux cable, you can connect your phone to the speaker directly and just play music from it on the go wherever you want. The FM can be accessed using this little button over here. All you have to do is just press the M and it goes on to the FM mode, and you can go back and forth and navigate the channels using these 2 buttons right here. So it also has a call answering feature button right here. So all you have to do is just press this and someone's calling, and I'm going to pick this up. Alright, so
Hey Asha, what's up?
Hi, what's up? I'm actually shooting using a Bluetooth speaker right now, and I'm actually using the call answering capabilities at the moment.
Okay, so yeah.
So is that cool? Yeah. So we know this works, so it's really great then. And I can just cut the call using the same button. All I have to do is just press it again right here. So priced at rupees 2,000, it's a pretty decent speaker. The only problem that I had with this speaker is that at really high volumes, the sound tends to get a little shrill, which I wasn't very fond of. But it's an average speaker, and you should definitely go check it out if you have a budget about 2,000.